day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to show you some pictures and some short video clips of my Eflite Airbus A320, which was first flown FPV with a stock Pratt & Whitney style nacelles. I also thought that these were a bit large and gaudy looking on the model, so I designed a new CFM 56 nacelle for the OEM fan, transforming this model from the NEO variant to the -200 series. I also designed and 3D printed a new wingtip representative of the -200. Here are a few pictures of the stock model with the exception of the FPV cockpit. And here are a few pictures of the new CFM 56 nacelle I designed and 3D printed. This video clip is of the stock nacelle takeoff. All flights have been made with a 6S 5000 mAh pack. This takeoff is with the new CFM 56 nacelle. I did not notice any loss in climb performance.
A little bouncy bounce.
Here is the view from my FPV cockpit of the stock model nacelle. And the same view with the new nacelle. Here is an approximately 50% cruise throttle low pass with the stock nacelle. And another with the new nacelle. Not that it matters much on landing, but here is a rather wobbly landing on the stock nacelle. And a much better landing on the new nacelle. Probably the best one I have done.
That was a nice landing.
Oh. I must add that despite the similar performance between the two, the new nacelle added about 6 ounces or 170 grams to the weight of the model. The model flies great in either configuration. Until next time, thanks for watching.